Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by dialing the driver to match your swing and ball flight. This matters because loft and shaft control launch and spin. Start with a neutral grip, shoulders parallel, and the ball off your front heel so you can hit up through impact. Once set, take 3 slow half swings to feel balance and tempo. These prime your neural pattern and reduce deceleration. Make small adjustments to ball position or tee height until the club head tracks slightly inside to out for a straighter, higher launch. Now you focus on the motion that produces consistent drives, a smooth, low takeaway for the first third of the backswing to preserve the plane. As you coil, transfer about 60% weight to your back foot. This stores rotational energy. Once done, initiate the downswing with hip rotation, leading the hands to create lag and maintain a slight upward strike angle of 2 to 4 degrees so the ball takes off efficiently. Keep your head steady. That stability lets club face control the direction. Finish by holding a balanced follow-through for 2 seconds with your chest facing the target and weight on the front foot. This confirms a complete rotation and proper release. Then assess. Note launch angle, spin feel, and where shots land. Those metrics tell you whether to tweak tee height or stance width. If things go wrong, try this. Slice, close the face earlier and shallow the attack. Hook, lighten grip pressure and reduce over-rotation. Keep making one change at a time and track results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.